Hello?
Miss Lustico, guess what time it is?
What time?
It's time for math!
Yay!
Hey, first grade! Welcome to another exciting day of math!
That's right, we get to do a whole new unit today.
Ooh, and I'm excited about this one because I think you probably already know a little bit about it.
That's right, you should have already learned most of these, so this is going to be a review and really looking deeper into this topic. And well, what is today's topic?
I don't know, Miss Lustico, what does our target say?
Well, our target says I can identify 2D shapes and their attributes.
Ooh, attributes. I've heard that word before. We've said it a few times earlier in math. What does that mean?
Attributes. Oh, well, I remember that it's kind of like the different ways to describe or the different things that make up something.
Oh, that's right. And I remember when we were learning and reading about different character traits or characteristics that was describing something. In math, we use the word attributes to describe different things. So we're going to look at some shapes and describe them. That means they're attributes.
Well, first we have to figure out what 2D shapes we're learning about. And you know who can help us with that?
Oh, my best friend, Jack Hartman!
Jack Hartman! Kids Music Channel!
2D shapes. 2D shapes. Which ones have sides and vertices? Let's learn today. Sides are the straight lines that form the shape. Vertices are the corners that the two lines make. Let's move and count the sides and vertices of these 2D shapes. This is a square. Let's move and count the sides of a square. 1, 2, 3, 4. A square has 4 sides. Let's move and count the vertices of a square. 1, 2, 3, 4. A square has 4 vertices and 4 sides. This is a triangle. Let's move and count the sides of a triangle. 1, 2, 3. A triangle has 3 sides. Let's move and count the vertices of a triangle. 1, 2, 3. A triangle has 3 vertices and 3 sides. This is a rectangle. Let's move and count the sides of a rectangle. 1, 2, 3, 4. A rectangle has 4 sides. Let's move and count the vertices of a rectangle. 1, 2, 3, 4. A rectangle has 4 vertices and 4 sides. This is a rhombus. Let's move and count the sides of a rhombus. 1, 2, 3, 4. A rhombus has 4 sides. Let's move and count the vertices of a rhombus. 1, 2, 3, 4. A rhombus has 4 vertices and 4 sides. This is a circle. Let's move and count the sides of a circle. A circle has 0 sides, but has 1 curved line. Let's move and count the vertices of a circle. A circle has 0 vertices, but has 1 curved line. A circle has 0 sides and vertices. 2D shapes. 2D shapes. Which ones have sides and vertices? We learned today.
Thanks, Jack. That was such a great video, and it reminded me a lot about these shapes that I already know, but he was telling me different attributes of the shapes.
That's right. And now we have a chart here with all of the different shapes that we're going to learn about the next couple of weeks. And we're going to decide how many sides, how many vertices, and what would be an example of that shape that you would see in real life?
Okay, well, this first shape right here, ooh, it kind of looks like that. That is a circle. Oh,
Ooh,
I definitely
so
know that.
Circle makes this sound at the beginning, but I don't spell a circle with an
Mm-mm.
S. It's C-I-R-C-L-E. Circle.
And I know a circle, it doesn't have any edges. It has one like curved line, but it doesn't have any sides or edges. I know that an edge is something that is completely straight and it normally comes to a point. There are no curves in it.
Oh, Miss Lime, a circle looks like a zero kind of, and a
Mhm.
circle has 0 sides and 0 vertices.
That's right. I remember a vertice is that point where two edges or sides come together. And it normally makes a corner, but it looks like it's making a point. So that corner area right there is a vertice, or one would be a vertex.
That's right. Well, where would we see a circle in real life?
Miss Lestico, I know that sometimes people wear like polka dots on their clothes. Polka dots are a circle.
That's right. So a real life example of a circle would be polka dots.
Okay, well, what's the next shape?
Well, it looks kind of tall and pointy. Oh, this is a triangle.
That's right. And triangles can come in lots of different, all of these shapes can come in different sizes. The thing to remember about a triangle is how many sides does it have, Miss Lestico?
It has 3 sides. I can count 1, 2, 3 sides. And, well, how many corners or vertices would it have then?
Oh, it also has 3 vertices. Those are the points where it comes together.
Well, where would we see a triangle in real life, Miss Lime?
Oh, you know what, Miss Lestico? A piece of pizza is a triangle.
That's right. If you have those giant slices of pizza cut out, it would be a triangle. But you know what, Miss Lime? If the pizza was all together, we hadn't cut it out yet.
It would be that circle.
It would.
Oh my goodness. Oh, let's look at the next one. Oh, this is a square, Miss Lestico. I know it's a square because all of its sides are the exact same length. That's really important to remember, that a square has equivalent or equal sides.
That's right. And, well, if you count the sides, you can tell that it has 4 sides that are the exact same size.
And it has 4 vertices. That's that point where the sides are coming together. Miss Lestico, I'm noticing a pattern.
What?
We have the same number of sides as we do vertices for these 2D shapes.
That's right. That's a good idea, Miss Lime.
Well, this one, Miss Lestico, also has 4 sides and 4 vertices, but it looks different from the square.
That's right. I can tell that the square has all sides that are the same size, but this shape has 2 sides that are a lot longer than the other sides. Well, that means it would be a rectangle.
That's right. So a square and a rectangle both have 4 sides and 4 vertices. A square has equal sides. That means it's the same length on the top and the sides and the bottom. But a rectangle has 2 sides and that might be short, and then the top and the bottom would be long, or the other way, the sides are really long and then the top and bottom are little.
Well, I know, Miss Lime, I see rectangles all over the place. I see rectangles on my Mr. Sketch box. The box is in the shape of a rectangle. Well, what's this next one?
Ooh, it looks like a diamond. Oh, but I don't remember. Jack Hartman didn't really say anything about a diamond. But he said that one. What was it called again? A bus? A rhombus. That's right.
So a rhombus looks like a diamond, but we call it a rhombus.
That's its
as
fancy schmancy
mathematicians.
name.
Well, a rhombus, it kind of looks like a square, but shifted on its side.
It does, and do you know what I'm noticing, Miss Lestico?
What?
It also has 4 sides and 4 vertices. Oh my goodness. Wow. So we have a square, a rectangle, and a rhombus with 4 sides and 4 vertices.
Well, where would we see a rhombus in real life, Miss Lime?
Oh, you know what? Oh, maybe like on a sign. I've seen that symbol.
That's right. Maybe like the kids playing or when they alert you that deer might be by.
Oh,
Those
yeah.
signs are usually rhombuses.
Ooh, this one looks like a house. What is that?
Oh, that would be a pentagon.
Ooh,
A pentagon
I
looks
see.
exactly like a house.
It does. And I'm noticing right here, Miss Lestico, that a pentagon, it has 5 sides. So now we're moving out of our 4-side shapes. A pentagon has 5 sides. And if it has 5 sides, how many vertices does it have, Miss Lestico?
That means it has 5 vertices.
Now that is a special trick or strategy we can use for our 2D shapes.
That's right. Eventually, we'll be doing 3D shapes, and those will have a lot more vertices or sometimes different numbers.
Yeah. Ooh, this next shape is a whole bunch of sides. Do you know how many sides that is, Miss Lestico?
Well, let's see if I count. I can tell it has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 sides.
What's that shape that has 6 sides? A hexagon!
There
Oh
you
my
go.
goodness. And I can remember hexagon because hex almost sounds like the number 6. So a hexagon tells me it has 6 sides, which means it also has 6 vertices.
There we go.
Ooh, just like the pentagon kind of reminded me of a house in real life, a hexagon looks just like honeycomb, Miss Lestico. You know where bees make their honey and store all their stuff?
That's right.
That's just what a hexagon looks like.
Oh, well, this very last one, I see that it has 8 sides.
Ooh,
Now,
that's a lot.
A different word for 8 is actually octo. So
Just
this-
like an octopus?
Exactly. An octopus has 8 tentacles, and an octagon has 8 sides.
You know what, Miss Lestico? A few of these shapes have that gon word or agon word at the end of its shape name. And that just tells me it's a type of shape. Octagon is an 8-sided shape. Oh, I know something that has 8 sides, Miss Lestico, that I see all the time when I'm driving. A stop sign that has 8 sides on it.
That's right. You will see octagons all the time because that's how many sides a stop sign has.
It's your turn.
On Seesaw, you are going to have the names of all of the shapes, and you're going to have to match the shape drawn to its correct name.
And when you're all done, of course, hit that green check mark.
Good
Good
luck.
luck.